We might face a number of different barriers that stop us from being able to listen effectively. And we call these barriers noise. Remember that noise is anything that interferes with our ability to listen to a message. And this noise can block or distort incoming stimuli. Now, there are several different types of noise that we might encounter. The first of these is environmental noise. Environmental factors such as lighting, temperature, and even the furniture in a room can affect our ability to listen. For example, a room that is too dark might make us sleepy, and a room that is too hot might cause us distraction as we attempt to cool our bodies. Even things like the whirring of an air conditioner, or the barking of a dog, or the beeping of a fire detector overhead might cause us environmental noise that can distract us from listening to the message. The next type of noise that we might encounter is physiological noise. Physiological noise is noise stemming from physical illness, injury, or bodily stress. This can be anything from having a cold to having a broken leg, a headache, having poison ivy. All of these things can range from just being annoying to be unbearably painful, and it can make it difficult for us to focus on the task at hand. For example, if you go to class and you have a headache, that's going to make it pretty difficult for you to be able to listen to the teacher's messages. We also deal with psychological noise. Psychological noise stems from our psychological state, which includes our moods and oftentimes our stress levels. And psychological noise could also potentially be daydreaming, so thinking about other things that aren't necessarily happening now in the moment. And a lot of our psychological noise happens because there is a difference between the rate at which we think and the rate at which people speak. People tend to speak at about 125 to 175 words per minute, whereas we can process between 400 and 800 words per minute. So the gap between the speech rate and the thought rate gives us an opportunity in our brains to side process any number of different thoughts that could potentially be distracting us from an important message. So these are just some of the examples of noise that we could potentially experience in any given communication instance.